Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You will begin by making a single folder containing every photo you want locked. Once you have that folder ready, install 7-Zip if you don't already have it. This gives you AES 256 file-level encryption. Now right-click the folder and choose 7-Zip Add to Archive. In the dialog, pick a strong password and AES 256 encryption, set archive format to 7Z, and press OK. Start the encryption now so the folder contents become locked in a secure archive. Once the archive finishes, test it immediately. Double-click the 7Z file and enter the password to confirm extraction works and files are intact. Make sure you used a strong password, at least 12 characters with mixed types, because encryption is only as strong as the password. If you have many gigabytes of photos, consider creating multiple archives or using an encrypted container like Vera Crypt to avoid single file size limits. Either way, verify read/, write speed, and extraction on the device you'll use regularly. After confirming the archive opens and files extract perfectly, securely delete the original folder using a file shredder tool or OS Secure Delete option, so only the encrypted archive remains. Make sure to save the password in a trustworthy password manager or an offline safe place. Without it, recovery is nearly impossible. If you encounter issues opening the archive later, first double-check the password, then test the archive on another machine or run 7-Zip's test/repair. Corruption or an interrupted write.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.